Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you amazing method to disable a swipe to dismiss sheet. So in this example, I already created this example. I have a two state variables, is presented and checkbox. I have a button sheet which changes is presented to true with some button style, and when it changes the state of is presented to true, then we show a sheet which also has its variable for state, and inside this sheet is some navigation view with vstack, hstack, and some view elements. So as you can see now, this is the sheet, and I can move it with my finger and dismiss it. That's the default behavior of the sheet in SwiftUI. If for some reason you need to disable dismiss of this sheet, so for example I created a navigation title with agreement, some button to confirm, and checkbox. It is really a toggle with toggle style, checkbox toggle style. This is my custom structure for checkbox to make it look like a checkbox, and I already created a video on that topic, and you can find a link for that video in the description below. As you can see, this is some simple checkbox, and for some reason you want to disable user to dismiss this sheet, so that he needs to check this checkbox and click confirm to dismiss it. In order to do that, you need to go to your sheet, and your root element is the navigation view, and on your root element you need to add interactive dismiss disabled, so that prevents interactive dismissal of presentations like popovers, sheets, and inspectors. When you do that, we can test that now. You can move it a little, but you can't dismiss it. The only way to dismiss it is to agree and confirm. And that's the whole solution for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.